Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go over the markets. Hope everyone had a great weekend. All right. Let's go over the markets. All right. So the Dow, guys, big picture. The Dow pulled back a bit from that 40,000 price, right? Resistance right at 40,000 here. Remember, at 40,000, it's a big number, all right, for the Dow. All-time highs. Now it's moved back a bit. So closed on Friday at 39,000, all right? Not a concern yet, okay? We'll see how the market does. Equity markets are closed tomorrow for the holiday. All right, but we'll see what it does this week. Okay, so we needed to hold near resistance. All right, a little pullback is not a big deal, but we needed to hold and continue to move higher. That's the Dow. The S&P holding firm above resistance, all-time highs right here. All right, last week on the S&P, Nasdaq. All right, Nasdaq, guys, nicely above resistance right here. Closed last week. Nice price action above resistance, all-time highs. All right, on the Nasdaq and the Russell. All right, so the IWM just holding right here, right, above resistance. Remember, this is small cap. All right, small cap stocks are really far away from the all-time highs. Okay, so long way to go on small caps. We'll see. At least it's got a buy signal and the price is moving higher. We can remove this here and let's see if we can break through near-term resistance right here on the Russell IWM. All right, and again, all-time high on the Russell is all the way up here. Let's bring this in so you guys can see this. IWM all-time high is right here. All right, so price is moving higher. All right, decent price action. It's the only one that's lagging right now. Support down here. All right, moving higher. Need to break through near-term resistance right here and then target, hopefully target all-time highs here. All right, on the Russell. The dollar, guys, dollar still holding, moving down though. All right, consolidating but moving lower. Okay, right now in the futures market. And then pound yen. All right, great move in pound yen. All right, buy signal here. Look at that. Broke resistance, trading at all-time highs for pound yen. All right, we'll bring that resistance right about here. Okay, so good price action. Again, a little bit of a pullback on the Dow, but it's still holding. Let's go through our current positions. Now we have a lot of positions, guys. All right, we've added the 60-minute. We've got the 240 in Monster Scalper. Let's go through these trades, okay? All right. New Zealand CAD closed, guys. Buy signal was here. All right, a decent trade. Buy signal here. All right, failed to continue to break through that resistance right here. All right, sell signal, red candle, close the trade, please. All right, so New Zealand CAD, close that trade, please. That's on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. Okay, USD CAD. All right, buy signal here, right? Red candle should be out of this trade. So USD CAD, close that trade, please. Well, let me show you guys what's going on with the dollar right here. And then we'll go back to the pairs. Right now, the dollar index still holding that trend line, but it's down currently, guys. All right, it's down currently. It needs to hold the trend line right here. Good news, it's got white candles here. All right, so it's got a white candle here. That's good, but it needs to hold that trend line. We need buyers to come in to see those dollar pairs move higher. Okay, All right, so USD CAD, close that trade, please. USD CNH, buy signal here, holding firm. All right, we got buyers coming in here. All right, so USD CNH holding firm. USD HKD, right? USD HKD, buy signal here, holding here. Target right up here. Now, this is the dollar pair, so keep an eye. Any of the dollar pairs, guys, keep an eye on them. All right, like USD CNH is holding firm, but keep an eye on it. Hey, Solomon, welcome. All right, USD HKD holding firm, target here on the 60-minute now. This on the 60-minute. USD SGD, that closed. Okay, so buy signal here, sell signal here, red candle here, close the trade, please. That's done. USD SGD. All right, USD DKK. All right, buy signal here, red candle, close the trade. All right, so USD DKK. All right, USD MXN, that's your Mexican peso. All right, markdown phase, good markdown phase here. All right, it was trading well. All right, up the markup phase. This was the target here, first target, but it closed here. Red candle here, sell signal, close the trade, please. USD MXN, monster scalper, 60-minute, close the trade, please. All right, USD CZK, buy signal here failed to hold above resistance. Sell signal, red candle here. We should have been out on that first red candle, guys. If you're waiting to get out all the way down here on that sell signal, that's too late. All right, so that first candle here, red candle, that's mandatory to close the trade. All right, USD CZK should be out of that trade. And then dollars are, you guys see what the dollar pairs are doing. All right, so they're closing. All right, buy signal here, really good markdown phase. Buy signal here. All right, on a break of resistance, hit support, red candles here. We should be we should close that trade. All right, bought here, sold here, close that trade, please. All right, dollars are. All right, so still holding USD CNH, holding. USD HKD, that's holding right here. And then we have the yen pairs, monster scalper, 60-minute, okay? All right, CHF JPY, CHF JPY, buy signal here, consolidating. We just need to break through that resistance. Very difficult trading here. All right, I wouldn't blame you guys if you close this trade. We'll keep it for now. All right, but it's trading between support and resistance here. We need that pair to break out. Okay. All right, pound yen, fairly recent trade now. Pound yen, guys, have been doing really well. Here's your markdown phase, markup. There's your markup phase right here. All right, after your markdown. And it's been trading really, really well. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Currently holding a buy signal. Hopefully, right, this buy signal here, we need the price to break through that resistance and hopefully get us another trade. Okay, pound yen holding firm in monster scalper, 60 minutes. HKD JPY, that one closed, guys. So buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. HKD JPY, all right. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. We do have resistance right here. All right, we have resistance right here, guys. This is where sellers came in before, here, 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 and then here we are. What we need to have happen here, we've got support here. All right, and the yen pairs they are moving higher, so we need to see price, all right, come back, recover that resistance, and keep moving higher. All right, so CAD yen. Now we added the pound pairs. All right, pound pairs late last week. So pound dollar. All All right, pound dollar buy signal here. Here's your pullback right here. Now it is in the markup phase. Let's do this. All right, it's got a cup and handle going there. All right, here's your markup phase. Buy signal here. We need price to break through that resistance. So pound dollar. And there's some decent trades in the pound pairs. Okay, so pound dollar, we need price to continue to move higher. Right here, green candles, break through that resistance right here. Okay, pound dollar. Pound HKD. All right, same thing. Almost identical here. All right, buy signal here, holding firm, just like pound dollar. Resistance is here. All right, we need to break through that resistance here. Okay, pound dollar. Pound SGD. All right, pound SGD, same thing, guys. Hopefully, these pairs will break out. The pound pairs are due for a run. All right, here, and look at previous. Look here, bought here. See here, they're trading fine. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal right here. So they're trading well long. Pound SGD, JPY, and the other pairs are fairly similar. Let's bring this here. All right, so pound SGD, pound Swiss. All right, same thing here. Look at pound Swiss, guys. Nice big trade here. Look at that. Really good trade. This is on the 60-minute now, okay? All right. So here's your pullback. So they are moving. All right, buy signal, and we have really good resistance. And price is holding right near that resistance, which is very bullish. That's a very bullish sign, okay? So here we are. Here is resistance, right? Buy signal here, green candles. Just need to break through that resistance. Again, look at the previous trade. Now, no guarantees, guys, all right, that it will break through and get another trade like this, but it is in the markup phase, all right? So there's a good chance, right, we could get another decent trade, okay? But you know, no guarantees on these trades. We never know, right? Sellers could come in, that buy signal could fail right there, okay? But we've got good protection right there, okay? We can move this. Hold on. All right, so pound pairs, pound Swiss. And then the last one, pound ZAR. All right, pound ZAR. All right, so we've got a target all the way up here. So resistance all the way up here, guys. All right, first trade did well. Here's our markup phase. And resistance is here. So those of you who've been asking for opportunities, guys, we have a lot more opportunities, right? With that 60-minute time frame. I know it's a lot faster than the 240. All right, find your opportunities. Make sure though, if you're trading the 60, right, there's going to be volatility movement in the London session. So just be aware of that. Okay. You can't leave those alone not on that 60-minute time frame like you can on the 240. Okay, so just be aware of that. All right, but lots of good price action. Okay, lots of activity. All right, so those are the pairs that's left. All right, so we have some dollar pairs, yen pairs, and pound pairs. All right. in monster scalper 60-minute. Now let's take a look at the 240 in monster scalper. All right, euro yen. All right, those yen pairs are holding great, guys, in monster scalper. All right, so euro yen. All right, buy signal here, holding firm. All right, all green candles. All right, we need to get past the high right here where it closed. All right, so it's not far right here, not far from that high. Go by where it closed, okay? Not the high here. All right, so good price action. Euro yen, all right, pound yen. All right, pound yen. Buy signal here. Look at that. Good price action. It's getting past the high here. All right, so it's getting past the high here. Buy signal here. Great trade going. This is for about, guys, it's almost for 500 pips here. All right, great trade going there, pound yen. And you have an opportunity on the 60-minute also, okay? SGD JPY, right? Buy signal here right at that resistance, breaking out. And we've got the next target here. Now, this is the high here. So if it breaks through, guys, we have a clear path, okay, on the 240. SGD JPY. HKD JPY, buy signal here. That's holding. All right, again, next target all the way up here. Dollar yen. All right, keep an eye on the dollar yen. All right, we know the dollar is under some pressure right here, right? Dollar's down under some pressure. If it breaks through that, now we do have a trend line and we have support right here. All right, so if it breaks that support, breaks that trend line, boy, we could see price move down like this. Okay, that dollar index, that dollar yen could break down. Okay, it's holding right at resistance here. Okay, so keep an eye on that. CAD yen, buy signal here, just hold it. We need that to break out. Target is up here. This is premature, but let's bring it in here. All right, New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right, several trades. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here. All right, all green candles. We do have resistance here. All right, always be aware where the sellers are sitting. Sellers are sitting here and here. And we are getting past sellers right now. All right, buy signal here, holding firm. New Zealand CAD. Dollar CAD. Tricky trade here. All right, not the best setup. We do have support right here. Very choppy here. And remember the dollar index, okay? So we've got support here. Guys, close this trade, all right? Look at this. There's nothing here. No trend here, all right? I mean, the only thing we could get out of this is this, but we'll close this. All right, so you could probably do something like this. But with the dollar index hanging on, all right, let's close this trade. All right, if you wanted to, hold on. You might, right, get a bounce here, but very choppy. It would have to, for dollar CAD to move, guys, it's got to get clear all of this area here. All right, all of this area here. It's got to make its way all the way back up, break resistance, clear all of this to get going. So close that trade. All right, dollar CAD. USD SGD. All right, this one here, it is in trouble. Okay, but it's got a better setup. All right, but again, it's part of that dollar index. Now, you guys know anything can happen, right? We can see buyers come back into the dollar. So, all right, just be nimble. All right, so this one here, it is holding the trend line right here. A decent markdown phase, buy signal here. They're holding the price. We'll need to see a break of near-term resistance right here. Okay, so, right, so we need buyers to come on back in, break through, right? Hopefully test resistance here. That's a concern here, and obviously this is where it struggled before, so that will be a concern. SGD, JPY, your better trade right now, guys. Right now, perhaps the yen pairs. Okay, good markdown phase here. USD, DKK, buy signal here, but we've got red candles, so we got to close the trade. Treat those as sell signals. Okay. All right. So USD, DKK. All right, close the trade. Dollar ZAR. Now, this is a decent setup. We do have purple support and resistance. All green candles, a bit of a pullback. We need help from the dollar index. Does have a really good markdown phase here. All right, this is where sellers started. So we're bringing our resistance right here. And all right, markup phase right here. All right, so good buy signal, but again, we need help from the dollar index. Now, the ZAR pairs, the ZAR, right? The ZAR might handle this. All right, so the ZAR is trying to make a move. All right, so dollar ZAR, pound ZAR, and let's see euro ZAR. So pound ZAR, buy signal here, moving up nicely. So the dollar ZAR could follow. Let's take a look at euro ZAR, EURZAR. Let's see what's going on there. All right, so there's definitely a move in the ZAR pairs, but you guys know ZAR is expensive. We'll add it. So euro ZAR, EURZAR, long in monster scalper. All right, so we'll add. So let's do this. Yeah, so dollar ZAR is part of the dollar group, but it might get some help from the ZAR pairs. Okay. All right, so dollar ZAR, pound ZAR, and euro. We add in euro ZAR. Okay. All right, so euro ZAR right here. Good markdown phase. And it's still near its buy signal. This is where the selling started right here. Okay. All right, we can bring it right here. All right, markdown phase, markup phase. No, these are not your best trades, okay? Remember, right now, the yen pairs, okay? So buy signal here, it is holding. Need to break through near-term resistance right here and then move higher to here, okay? All right, no shorts currently. Let's take a look at equities. We're not adding any alerts in monster scalper or stocks. We'll wait. Markets are closed tomorrow, so we'll wait to see Tuesday what equities will do. All right, we're still very bullish. And we'll go through these quickly. All right, so stock boss AMC. AMC got a little move right here. All right, so buy signal here. You guys know pulled back quite a bit, but it's holding all green candles here. All right, so hopefully we can see buyers come back in. GameStop, all right, buy signal here, right? Came all the way back down, right? They shorted it pretty good here, all right? Almost looks like a pump and dump, all right? But it's holding all green, all white, all green candles. Got some white candles here, but it's holding that support right here, okay? So that's the only encouraging thing right here. Holding that support, white candles. We need buyers to come on back in, okay? ORGN, all right, that's holding. All right. ALLK, all right, that's holding. Here's your markdown phase. Buy signal, holding firm. CDMO, all right. Good markdown phase here. And here's your resistance. Needs to break through that resistance right here. And your markup phase right here. EBS. All right. EBS. Good markdown phase, guys. Look at that right here. Buy signal here. All right. Moving up nicely. Okay. ME, that's holding between support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. Try to make a move on Friday. All right, that's your spike right here, but close lower, but still holding between support and resistance there. ADNT, that's holding. MAXN, really good markdown phase, guys. Good risk reward. Right, fell from $38 to $3.03. Buy signal came in 363, 362. All right, a bit of a pullback, held support right here. Buyers are coming back in. Very encouraging. Okay, MAXN. TAC. All right, TAC. Look at that. All right, good markdown phase right here. That's your discount. Really good discount here. Buy signal came in here. A bit of a pullback, held support. We can remove this now. Held support, buyers are coming back in. All right, green candle right here. Held support right on Friday. TAC. Okay. All right. That's Stock Boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster here. And then Bullmaster Pro. And we'll take a look at the US 30 and the NAS. All right, Bullmaster. All right, NEP, that's holding. All green candles, nothing to do there. Royal Caribbean, RCL, that's holding. All green candles. All right, CLS, guys, look at that. Nice day on Friday. Nice big candle here. Buy signal here. Look at the trades here. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here. Good price action. All right, CLS. All right, CRWD. All right, great trading here. Buy signal here, holding. This buy signal failed. Hopefully this one will last, okay? That's holding. Hood is holding. Nice recovery. MNDY, that's holding above resistance. MPWR, that's holding. NT and X, good trade, guys. Look at this. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here, moving up nicely on a break of resistance right here. Good support here, good resistance, really good price action there. All right, NT and X. PSTG, that's holding. These large caps are doing much better, guys. RVTY holding on a break of resistance. WIX, that's holding. ANF, look at this, guys. Good price action here. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold all the way up here. This buy signal, guys, came from 37 to what's that? 115. New buy signal 139, 150 there. So good price action. A, and F. All right. GO, good markdown phase. Right here. Buy signal moving up nicely here. All right. We have further target on this. Target 21. Buy signal came in at right at 10. Not a great risk reward, but good markdown phase. Even if it gets to resistance here, not bad. All right. But not a great risk reward. Okay. Markdown phase, buy signal. There is your markup phase here. All right. Markup phase, markdown phase. Follow your 4 market phases. All right. All right. GO. All right. Netflix. All right. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here on a break of resistance, right in the markup phase. All right. Here we are. Right here. All right. CRNX, keep an eye on this, guys. We got a white candle here right at that trend line. So it needs to hold on Tuesday. Okay. So it needs to hold that trend line on Tuesday. Okay. Buy signal here. It's pulling back. Needs to hold. Buyers needs to come back in. Same thing here. KURA. Really need to pay attention to those. Okay. When they're pulling back like this. Good markdown phase here for NVCR. All right, fell from 118. All right, buy signal came in at $16, trading at 23. Really good price action. First target all the way up here. Good markdown phase right here. And the target up here. Okay. PTGX. All right. We had PSTG. This is PTGX. All right. This is a concern here. All right. This is where sellers came in, guys. Right here. Also right here. And here we are. So we need to break through that resistance. If we get a white candle here, might want to close that trade. All right. PTGX. Okay. We'll hold it for now. All right. JXN continuing to move higher, guys. Look at that. Every day moving higher. Every week it's moving higher. Great trade going here. CEIX, that's holding. IRBT holding. Keep an eye on it on Tuesday. AES, guys. AES is breaking resistance. All right. AES resistance is right here. And then here we are. Buy signal here. First trade did really well. Beautiful setup coming out of that markdown phase. Markdown accumulation. All right. Buy signal on a break of resistance right here. All right. Made its target. Broke support sell signal right here. Great trade here. Another buy signal right here on the break of resistance. And had a nice pop on Friday. Looks good. Hopefully it'll break resistance. Just remember, sellers are here. All right. So if it turns around, guess what? Just be aware of that. Okay. All right. But so far it's holding firm. All right. BVN, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Great trading. And we are right at resistance here. We need to break through that resistance. Right here, buy signal here, all green candles. I know it's choppy in here, all right, but it is making higher lows. If we draw in a trend line right along in here, we'll see it's making higher lows and it is moving higher. All right, so right in here, that price keeps moving higher right along in here. Right, it's choppy in here, but overall it's moving higher. Needs to break through that resistance. Okay. All right, UNG, right, markdown phase, buy signal moving up. And that's it for Bull Master. Now, Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. All right. All right. We are really starting to like this system. Okay. So good price action, great fundamentals with Bull Master Pro. All right. AVGO, buy signal here. Holding. We love to see the price action, guys, when it holds resistance like this, all green candles, and they're holding right here. We need to see a breakthrough. Okay. Microsoft, we added Microsoft, same thing here. And AI, AI is big right now, guys. So Microsoft, that's a leader in AI along with NVIDIA. All right. So great trade here. Some good trading here. Bought here, sold here. Microsoft, great price action. System bought here, sold here. And here we are, another buy signal here. So great trading. It's always good when the system is trading, all right, really, really well. All right. And it will trade well when we have a trend. All right. All right. So Microsoft right here. All right. Here is your pullback. All right. Buy signal here. Holding. We just need to break through on Tuesday. Okay. Microsoft. NVIDIA. All right. AI. So nice break of resistance here. Gapped up. All right. It's always a concern when these stocks gap up, guys. All right. It's always a concern that, all right, that they might fill the gap. That's not good. But so far, right, hasn't filled the gap, holding above resistance. Buy signal came in right here, right, and it's holding firm above. All right, Kavana. All right, good trade here with Kavana, guys. I've been talking about Kavana. Buy signal here on a break of resistance right here. All right, look at that big candle came in at on Friday. Buy signal was at 71, trading at 82 right here. All right, great trade there, Kavana. I'm sorry, Kava. All right, ACGL, same thing. Now, with these large cap stocks, guys, you will notice that they love these reaccumulation phases. Okay, especially right now with the bull market. All right, we are bullish. All right, so first trade out of the markdown phase did well. Bought here, sold here. Another buy signal here. All right, reaccumulation. Look at this, powerful candles, good price action. Okay. Same thing, ASPN on a break of this resistance here. Now, we didn't catch that buy signal there. All right. We called it. So buy signal came in here. I think we called it right about in here. Right about in here. But look at that pop. Nice big pop on Friday. All right. And the last one. All right. HWKN. All right. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely here. A bit choppy, but it's been trading well. Okay. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here by the system. Bought here, sold here, buy signal here, holding firm. Okay. All right. A quick look at the US 30 and we'll be done. US 30 and NAS 100. Okay. And we'll be done. All right, US 30, guys. So there was a short, all right, sell short signal here. All right, really good short. All right. No, we didn't call it. If you guys took the trade, great job. Okay. What we are looking for right now is if it breaks, the US 30 breaks through that support. Okay. Or even if this white candle come on down, right? Come on down right here, gets close to that support. It does have a sell short signal right now. Okay. Now the markets equity, the US 30 will follow the Dow. We know that. Okay. So the equity markets are closed tomorrow. All right. So I would wait on this. Okay. Wait on this. What we could see buyers come back in. All right. And all of a sudden, we're moving higher. All right. Right. With a buy signal. Okay. So we'll just hold off for now on the US 30. Wait till the market opens. All right. Equity markets open when they open on Tuesday. The NAS 100 is setting up to go long. Okay. So no shorts there. All right. It's holding its buy signal. All right. So holding a nice buy signal on a break of resistance here. Look at the previous buys, guys. All right. Bought here, sold here by the system. Bought here, sold here. So really good long trades. Okay. So no shorts. It's got a buy signal here. All right. Holding firm. So hopefully on Tuesday, now you could see some price action, but hopefully on Tuesday. All right. What we like to see, another buy signal to come in, and that should happen on a break of resistance right here, or possibly right here. Okay. All right. So it's got to get past all of this above resistance to get a buy signal to go along with the buy signal here on the daily time frame. All right, guys. All right. So just be careful. It's a holiday. So usually markets are very, very light on these when we have a holiday. Okay. Markets are light, low volatility in Forex. All right. So just keep that in mind. All right. Keep that in mind. All right, guys. I will see everyone tomorrow. I know it's a holiday, but we'll be working. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for coming. Take care. Bye-bye.